Hey, this is Rob at Eco Panels of Tennessee, and we get a lot of questions about roof panels, and somebody suggested that we didn't have very many videos about roof panels, so we're going to try to do some of those. So yes, we do make roof panels, and they might be applicable to your home, and we'd like to talk to you about that. So let's talk a little bit about some of the mechanics of roof panels. This is our little display thing that we use during our seminar, and we've got some roof panels here to show you, but the most important thing we want to talk about is what holds the roof panels up. Now, you may have been on YouTube and seen where some SIP panel companies make these 25-foot long self-supporting roof panels that you load in there with a crane, and we don't make those. That's not the roof panel that we make. The roof panels that we make, the maximum size is going to be 4 foot wide and 12 foot long. So our roof panel system requires something to hold the roof panels up. Rafters, purlins, something, beams, timbers, which is normal. And so in a conventional house, you might have a rafter every 16 inches to frame a roof system. 24 would be the most I've seen. With a SIP panel roof system, you might only need a rafter or beam every 4 feet or maybe even 6 feet. And we can take a look at that with you. But you need to have some sort of system. So this is a rafter system that's in place here that's supporting. Imagine that these are 4 feet apart. They're not, but this is a tiny little house. So it's an example, I suppose. So let's go around to the other side and we'll look at the roof panels. So the roof panels that we make, if it's a rafter system, are generally going to run horizontally across the roof. This is a 6.5 inch thick R40 panel. You can see it has the zip on the top. We're going to send it with the soffit subfascia already on here, and we can do them what we call plumb cut. Plumb cut means that this board that's already installed is at the pitch of your roof. So this is where your gutter is going to attach. We also can install this subfascia in here as well on the sides. So we're going to have all this done for you so that you would trim this out with your metal or whatever you're going to use. Your gutter goes here, rain comes down. So what you want to do installing the roof panels, you want to get the bottom row on first. We'll send you dimensions on how far your overhang is and how this goes together. You get your bottom row on first, and that way as you're working up the roof, you've got something here for the panels to slide down against. So then you'll get your other roof panels, you'll set them up here. They would tongue and groove together, because you use the spray foam inside. And then at the end of the panels, where they meet on the sides, they're going to have a void with a spline in here. And then when they slide together, which I'm not doing this right, there, they're going to slide together like that. This is going to be nailed off, and then we send the roof panel screws, which are 8-inch long screws. Can you see that head they have on them? They have like a flat head. And they're going to attach down through the panels into the beams or rafters or purlins. Now I know that's a lot of just like way overview and not a lot of details. Roof panels require a lot of details, and every home is different. Depending on if it's a gable roof, is it a shed roof, is it a monoslope roof, does it have valleys, are there hips? There's a lot of different things that go into that. So we would want to have a conversation with you about, hey, is this roof great for roof panels? Is it not? I'm not going to try to talk you into buying something if it's not their best choice. So give me a call, tell me about what your project is. Roof panels are wonderful. I have them in the structure I built, my garage/office. They perform exceptionally well, but they're not for every roof application. So give me a call, shoot me an email, send me your plans, and let's have a conversation, and be glad to price these out for you and talk about what's the best solution for your project as far as using the roof panels that we can provide and make here at Eco Panels of Tennessee.